Tired of lag, crash, and poor graphics? Today, we're diving into how to update your Nvidia graphics card drivers for the ultimate gaming experience. First, you need to identify your graphic card. You probably already know what it is, but in any case, right-click on your desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. If it's not there, search for it in the Windows search bar. Once the control panel is open, look for the System Information or Help tab. Usually in the top menu, click on it, and inside you will see your graphic card's model. Write it down or keep it in mind for later. It's important. Then, head over to the Nvidia website. In your search engine, search for Nvidia drivers. Once you're on the website, look for the drivers section. You will be prompted to provide the details for your graphic card to download the proper driver for your system. In this section, select your product type, product series, product, and operating system. Make sure these match your graphic card and Windows version, then click the search button. Once the search is complete, you will be shown details about the graphic card drivers. Click download, follow any on-screen prompts, and save the file. After it's downloaded, locate the file and run it. Follow the on-screen steps to install. If you're prompted to choose install options, it's usually better to do a custom install to have more control. If you are comfortable, you will need to agree to the license terms. During the install, your screen may flicker or go black. This is normal. Once the driver is installed, the driver has now been updated. Restart your computer, and you're ready to experience the difference. Updating your drivers is key to enjoying smooth gameplay and optimal performance, and that's it. Enjoy your updated drivers.